How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is Wicked Warnings, here with more strobe lights for trucks. Your number one source for LED and emergency lighting, safety lighting. Here we have a brand new Chevy Colorado. It's featuring our LIN-6 light. One solid white, one solid amber, alternating left to right there. We mounted this light underneath the factory grille lip. You can see right there above the Z71. What we're using on this particular build is a high quality VHB adhesive tape with the 3M94 primer, as well as a small bead of RTV sealant around the edge. We've had no issues with these lights coming loose as long as they're installed properly with the high quality VHB double stick and the primer, and protected the edge of it with the RTV sealant. That's a white on the left and an amber on the right. And as you can see, that provides an extremely bright two-color warning for the front of this vehicle. In the rear, you can see the reflection featuring our LED HAW Duo. We opted for the HD high dome lens in the reverse lights of this Colorado, and they're fairly simple install. I'll turn it around and show you that. As you can see out back, we've elected to go into the reverse lens with a white set of our LED HAW Duo. We use the HD dome in this application, mounted it right next to the OEM reverse light. We picked a very quick alternation on this particular build. Here you can see the driver's side light a little better. I'll show you where we put the switches. Here you can see we mounted our 3/4 flush mount switch right there next to the trailer tow controller. There's not a whole lot of spaces in this truck to mount switches, but we were pretty happy with the location it chose there. Be sure to check out the video description for a link to all of the products that are featured in this particular build. There will also be a link to buy everything that you need to do this project, including the switch and the wiring, and you can have your local mechanic or you and your friends do this job yourself. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Be sure to subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.